earthquakes can happen suddenly. Preparation matters. Earthquakes often arrive without warning, leaving little time to react. That's why emergency planning can help when events unfold fast. Experts recommend securing items that could fall during a quake. Knowing safe locations indoors can reduce some risks people face. Stay aware, know what to do. Preparation helps when shaking breaks through. Earthquake safety, knowledge you can use. Earthquake safety, helping people choose. Drop, cover, hold on tight. Protect yourself until it's right. Earthquake safety, preparedness in action. Your hands and knees to prevent being knocked down. Take cover beneath sturdy furniture if available around. Hold on until the shaking stops and be aware of hazards nearby. Stay away from windows when possible and watch for dangers outside. Emergency kits and family plans can help communities prepare, because readiness before an earthquake can make a difference there. Stay aware, know what to do. Preparation helps when shaking breaks through. Earthquake safety, knowledge you can use. Earthquake safety, helping people choose. Drop, cover, hold on tight. Protect yourself until it's right. Earthquake safety, preparedness in action. Plan ahead, stay informed, practice what you've learned. Preparation and awareness help when conditions turn. The earth may shake, but knowledge